Welcome to Civil Engineering Knowledge Channel. Today we will see how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate water required to cast particular column. Let us take an example of a column which is having a height of 12 feet and the breadth and width as 1 feet and 1 foot. Okay. So first we need to calculate the wet volume of the column. Okay. So for that we need to multiply the 12 feet, 1 feet and 1 feet because it is we are finding the wet volume. Okay. So wet volume is nothing but breadth into width into height. Okay. So for that we will get 12 feet. To convert feet into meter, we are multiplying it by 0.3048 meter. Okay. Meter cube. So finally we will get the answer in 0.3398 meter cube. So here next step is second step where we need to calculate the dry volume of the column. Dry volume of column is nothing but wet volume plus 54% of the wet volume. So you just substitute the volume of the wet volume, that is 0.3398 meter cube plus 54% of 0.3398 meter cube. So finally you will get the answer as 0.5232 meter cube. So step third is, so we should know here what grade of the concrete that we are going to use for the column. Usually for column we will use M20 grade. Okay. So that is cement is to sand is to aggregate ratio for M20 grade of the concrete is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. So first you should do the total. We will get 5.5. So in the next step 4, we should calculate the quantity of cement required. It is nothing but dry volume divided by sum of mix ratio multiplied by ratio of cement. Okay. So dry volume is nothing but whatever we have got the values in step 3. Okay. Step 2, that is the dry volume, that is 0.5232 meter cube divided by sum of mix ratio. Sum of mix ratio is nothing but we have calculated the sum, right? M20 ratio 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, that sum, that is 5.5 multiplied by ratio of the cement. Here in M20 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, where 1 stands for cement, 1.5 stands for fine aggregate and 3 stands for coarse aggregate. So for cement it is 1, so we are multiplying it by ratio of the cement as 1. Okay. We will get the value as 0.0951 meter cube. Next step is quantity of sand. Similar way, dry volume is 0.5232 divided by sum is 5.5. In that ratio of sand is 1.5. Okay. That you need to multiply. Finally you are going to get the answer as 0.1426 meter cube. In step 6, we are calculating quantity of aggregate required. That is dry volume divided by sum of mix ratio into ratio of aggregate. Here same thing, dry volume as 0.5232 meter cube divided by sum is 5.5. Ratio of aggregate is 3. See here 1 stands for cement, 1.5 stands for fine aggregate, that is sand, and 3 stands for coarse aggregate, that is 3. So here the quantity of the aggregate you will get it as 0.2853 meter cube. Here one thing you need to always remember, that density of the cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. Okay. And conversion part. So last one is step 7, that is weight of the cement. Weight of cement is nothing but volume multiplied by density of the cement. Volume is whatever you got in the previous step for calculation of the cement, that one multiplied by density of the cement, as I told you to remember, that is 1440 kg per meter cube. Volume will be in the unit meter cube. Meter cube will cancel. Finally you will get it as 136.944 kg. So we always know that one bag of cement consists of 50 kgs. Okay. So while calculating number of bags, what you will do, weight of the cement divided by 50. Weight of the cement we got it as 136.944 kg in step 7 divided by 50, because one bag contains 50 kg, right? So proportion way you should find out. So finally we want 2.738 bags of cement. Okay, now to calculate the quantity of the water, we should know that water by cement ratio. Okay, water cement ratio is 0.5. See why it is 0.5. Water cement ratio may be 0.4 to 0.7, depend upon the exposure condition, whether it is severe condition, whether it is mild condition, whether it is moderate condition. It is depending upon the type of the environment present where your column is being constructed. Okay, so here we are taking in between 0.5. Okay, water cement ratio as 0.5, and weight of the cement what we got in the step 7 as 136.944 kg. So when you multiply, you will get finally in the kgs. Okay, 1 kg is nothing but 1 liter. So 68.472 kg is equal to 68.47 liters. Okay, so this thing you need to remember. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and like my channel, share my channel. Thank you.